Critical library mismatch involving the WinStation module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Before we dive into the WinStation module manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the WinStation module, the Windows Station library. It provides unmanaged routines for managing terminal services and RDP sessions, facilitating the multi-user orchestration manifest for system data links. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Winsta is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing WinStation module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Replacing WinStation module without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to WinStation module. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for WinStation module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.